Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam fall centerpiece. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some of this floral diamond wrap from EFavormart.com. EFavormart.com is an online retailer and they provide products for event decor, event lighting, centerpiece decor, and so much more. They have reached out to me and so I have partnered with them. They provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word, just like the channel name. If you'll use that coupon code, it will save you 15% on your orders with them. I will have EFavormart's information along with my discount code and custom affiliate link down in the description box below, so you guys can check that out. What you're going to also need is you're going to need some of this white iridescent glitter. I picked this up at EFavormart.com as well. I've got some silver eucalyptus branches here, also from EFavormart.com. I may or may not be using this eucalyptus in the centerpiece, but we'll see as we go along. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree is one of these little bowls here. And this is like a little plastic bowl from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need like a little glass candle holder. I've got a fluted shape here, but you can use whatever shape you like. Also from Dollar Tree, I have these stems here, and they're an off-white color. And then I just have some white roses here, in a bright white here, and then in more of a cream white. So I have that from Dollar Tree as well. And this styrofoam ball I've cut in half is actually from Michael's. I have got some Mod Podge, a paintbrush. I have got some peel and stick diamond gemstones. These are from Walmart. However, you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project. If you'd like to make it permanent, then use something like an epoxy or an E6000. And these are the items that we need in order to get the centerpiece completed. So let's get started. Okay guys, so there you have it. A beautiful glam fall centerpiece. I think the vase turned out absolutely gorgeous, as well as the centerpiece. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Well, there you have it guys, another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.